Tired of wondering where your time goes? Let's get you organized with Clockify. First, head over to Clockify, that's clockify.me, and hit that big sign up button. You can sign up with your Google account, email, or any other option they offer. Once you're in, you'll need to create a workspace. This is where all your team's time tracking data will live. Give it a name that makes sense for your company or project. Next up, let's invite your team. Click on the team section and then invite users. Just type in their email addresses and assign them a role like admin or user depending on their responsibilities. Now for the fun part, customization. Explore the settings menu here. You can set up things like required fields, project categories, and billing rates. This will make your time tracking super accurate. Create your initial projects. This will help you organize your team's track time for all their tasks. That's it. You're now ready to start tracking your time with Clockify. Explore the platform, test out the features, and fine-tune your settings. Happy time tracking.